Sai Ram everyone. In this video, we'll be learning a Rama bhajan, Rama Rama Sai Rama. The bhajan notations are written in teen tal. We will be using both the madhyams in this bhajan. I will sing the bhajan notations first, followed by the bhajan. Sa, sa, re, ga, ga, re, sa, 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 re, ga, re, sa, sa, pa, ma, pa, re, ga, ma, ga, pa, ma, pa, re, ga, ma, ga, sa, sa, re, ga, re, sa, sa, re, ga, re, sa, ni, sa, ga, re, ma, ga, re, ga, re, sa, ni, sa, ga, re, ma, ga, re, ma, ga, re, ga, ma, pa, re, ma, ga, re, ga, ma, pa, pa, dha, ma, pa, ga, pa, dha, ma, pa, ga, re, ga, pa, ga, ga, sa, re, ga, pa, ga, ga, sa, Rama, Rama, Sai Rama, 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 Sai Rama, Parti Purisha, Sai Ram, Parti Purisha, Sai Ram, Rama, Rama, Sai Rama, Madhura Manohara, Sundara Naam, Madhura Manohara, Sundara Naam, Shyamala Komala Nayana Viram, Shyamala Komala Nayana Viram, Ravi Kula Mandana Rajana Ram, Ravi Kula Mandana Rajana Ram, Parama Pavana Mangaladham, Parama Pavana Mangaladham. Jai Sai Ram.